What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu here today. We got some growth going on here inside Shiba Inu, but we are looking a little bit stagnant right now. But anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor and none of this financial advice. Definitely hit that like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm, and to leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the PayPal donation link in the description, or go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App donation link in the description. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, check out the Vital Algo link inside of the description and use the discount code Marcellus for 25% off. Now, let's go over Shiba Inu here. So look, this green area indicates our supply and demand area, which means that we have lots of demand in this area. When we go up here to the red area, it shows that there's less demand inside of Shiba Inu. So right now you can see the volume in this oscillator is actually showing lower amounts of volume here. And the last signal from the oscillator shows it inside of a bearish movement. And you can see with this red area right here, this is showing that we have less demand there, like I said before. And we are on a current downtrend here inside Shiba Inu. It's a little downtrend. It's not a big one. It's very small. But let's take off the technical indicators and then you can see it. We'll see what I'm looking at firsthand here. So pretty much what we're looking at here, it's almost like a whole consolidation phase right here. Like, we just started to pump here, we started to go down, we started to pump. Now you see that we're trading sideways just a little bit slightly. So this is like not the big bearish sentiment that we're actually looking at. We're not looking at something that's very bearish. Pretty much what we're looking at here is something that has a little bit of bearish movement. So I'm not really too worried about Shiba Inu at all. And actually, if you look at what is showing here in the oscillator, you can see the bulls, even though there was low volume, the bulls were still in control of the market. Over here with the 24-hour market control, you can see that the bulls are in control by 60%, which actually shows that there is big movement here inside Shiba Inu and that there's huge potential for the future. So I'm really not worried about this. Like, sheep holders holding for long term are going to be the ones that win. The ones that come in to buy and sell with day trades are going to be the ones that lose. But anyways, right now you can see with Shiba Inu, our price is at 28.32, and over here you can see Shiba Inu is up 3.7% for the last 24 hours, down 6.6% for the last 7 days, up 111% for the last 14 days, and up 261% for the last 30 days. So we're still doing really good here with all of our percentages here with Shiba Inu. Our holders are still going up every single day. Yesterday, we actually had 741,417 holders in Shiba Inu, and today we're at 743,517 inside Shiba Inu. So that's actually pretty big right there. Hit the refresh button, and now we have, whenever that will load up, we have 743,662. So even within the last few minutes of us making this video, about 100 people just invested in Shiba Inu. And not only that, the rumors about Robinhood are increasing with Shiba Inu. So we have 269,000 signatures here with change.org on this Shiba Inu petition and with the Robinhood thing. So it's actually crazy because this is one of the most sought after things inside of change.org. Like, this is one of the biggest change.org petitions out there. So that's pretty big right there. Now over here you got this. Now someone inside the Shiba Army was talking about this inside of the Shiba Army Reddit, and this was came from Comfortable Medium 42. This person said, just saying, imagine if 10% of the users in Robinhood buys into Shib. 10% of them would be 730,000 holders. Like, you got to think about that. If only 10, actually, it'd probably be more than that. But anyways, if 10% actually put money into Shib, like, that's going to make millions of holders inside of Shiba Inu, which would mean more billions of dollars in Shiba Inu. So that's something else we got to look at. And then another thing with this, we have this, how Robinhood stock technicals look following Shiba Inu listing rumor. So all that happened was a rumor came out, and then their stock actually started to go up. And see, something that you got to think about this, like, let's just be completely honest here. Robinhood stock will go all the way up if they actually list Shiba Inu. If they do this, it's going to help them out a lot. They just come out with a rumor, and then they get some rise in price action with Shiba Inu. Like, this is definitely showing that Robinhood has potential. If they want their stock to grow, then they will add Shiba Inu. And that's just the facts. And they want their stocks to grow. So more than likely, they're going to add Shiba Inu so then they can grow their company, so they can grow their stock. And like they say, buy the rumor, sell the news. Buy the rumor, sell the news. This is a rumor that this is going to be on Robinhood. It's a rumor that Shiba Inu will be listed to Robinhood. So I'm saying it's better to buy the rumor, and then once they actually release Shiba Inu on Robinhood, sell the news. That's when the news is going to come out. I'm not going to say sell Shiba Inu, but anyways, diamond hands. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice, not telling you what to do. But still, buy the rumor, sell the news. Like with Dogecoin, when Saturday Night Live came out, it was news that Saturday Night Live was going to happen. And then when it finally happened, when the news finally happened, what happened? The price drops. It was news that Doge Day 420 was going to happen. What happened when the actual day hit? The price drops. So this happens every single time with everything. Buy the rumor, sell the news. So yeah, if you all want to make this money on Robinhood or on Shiba Inu, then this Robinhood rumor would be the best thing to get in on. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. I'm not telling you to dump your money in there. Just telling you the facts about what could happen possibly. And then over here, Shiba Inu price spikes 8% on fake news of Robinhood listing. So just off of fake news, it was spiking. So this news right here is going to send Shiba Inu to the moon. Or I mean, this rumor. It's currently a rumor. It's not news. But right now, since it's a rumor, it's definitely going to send Shiba Inu straight to the moon. This is actually going to be pretty good for us. So anyways, Shib has some big stuff going on with it right now. So I would definitely not count Shiba Inu out at all. Now over here, we have a listing with Shiba Inu. So left and right, we're just getting new things with Shiba Inu left and right. So Clever Exchange will now be listing Shib. So this is another pretty big thing that's happening. October 19th, today, they're literally listing Shiba Inu today because it's not already off there right now. So anyways, pretty big stuff going on in Shiba Inu. So the exchange is not a huge exchange, so you're not going to see huge rises in price action, but you're definitely going to see more volume coming into Shib, and that's 100% sure. So anyways, we got big stuff going on here with Shib. And then what else? We got another listing. So another new listing here with Shib. So yeah, Shib is now on Woox, WOOX. Definitely check that out if you want to see Woo or however you want to say it. But now it's on this new exchange. So it's another exchange that has Shiba Inu. But anyways, let's talk about some technicals here. Shiba Inu stays close to the resistance at 29.50. Currently, we're at 28.28. So we've been trading between 28 and 29 for a long time. So Shiba Inu pulls back. She pulled back after an attempt to get above the 29.50 resistance, while Bitcoin was mostly flat. Well, Bitcoin rose so much that it's going to be flat right now. Like $62,000 Bitcoin. Like that's crazy right now. Anyways, we got big stuff going on here. Let's go over the technical analysis. Shiba Inu did not manage to sell above the nearest resistance level at 29.50, but managed to stabilize in the 28.29 range. RSI has recently moved back into the moderate territory, so there is plenty of room to develop additional upside momentum with Shiba Inu. So this is what the right catalyst, they say. And what can be the right catalyst? Well, we just got 2 new listings with Shiba Inu and a third one to be rumored, which is the Robinhood listing. So we have a lot of different money flowing into Shiba Inu right now. If Shiba Inu sells above the resistance at 29.50, it will head towards the next resistance level at 31.50, and then 29.50 to 31.50. That's going to be a big jump, eventually leading us to this resistance level of 35, which is 0.00035. So on the support side, if Shiba Inu breaks the 28, the 0.00028 area, then it's going to eventually lead us to 26.50, which then will eventually lead us to 25.60, then 23.55, then eventually down to the 20 EMA at 22.90. So that's what we could see possibly here in Shiba Inu. And just to kind of confirm this, let's go over this. Now, Shiba Inu price reveals bearish triangle as hope for new all-time highs fade. So everyone has their own personal opinion on this. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. I'm just bringing you what the analysts are saying. I'm bringing you what the rumors are saying, and I'm bringing you what the actual news is saying, with the listings and all that. So Shiba Inu price is forming a bearish triangle, they say, with the bulls fleeing the scene, which I don't believe is 100% true, but shout out to FX Street for this. They're pretty good with their technical analysis. And anyways, they say Shib price action saw a lot of profit taking, which is definitely true. People are taking profits, and even the short-term corrections could not avoid keeping the RSI in oversold territory. Expect a break lower as more bulls will start to cut their long positions, they're saying. No, I don't believe this is going to be true, because we're really coming out with this Robinhood rumor. Like, everyone knows, buy the rumor, sell the news. And then we got these 2 new exchanges that just listed us. I mean, bulls attempted to break above 31.55. We did get rejected there. But anyways, down here you can see Shiba Inu price will first break the 27.75 if it continues to go down. If it breaks 27.75, they're saying 23.91, and then eventually 19.51, and eventually 12.47. But that's the bearish look at it. The bullish outlook, should market sentiment shift in favor of cryptocurrency bulls, and with enough incentive to add positions, expect a breakout of the descending line in the triangle and a retest toward the 31.55 area. Should more positive tailwind emerge, then expect a retest and break of 35.35. So there's a lot of stuff that could happen here with Shiba Inu. I know I just now went over a lot of stuff today, but that's because we got a lot going on here. But yeah, remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. I'm just coming to you with the information here that I've garnered through all of this research. So anyways, hit the like button and subscribe if you really like this video, and if you want to help out the channel, or if you just want to let me know what you all want me to go over next, leave a comment in the comment section. And to help out the channel, go ahead and send a donation through the PayPal donation link or the Cash App donation link. It'll be greatly appreciated. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.